Before we get into the analysis on Bloom Energy, I want to talk about the price action prior to the earnings announcement via an article from Investors Place. Bloom Energy stock falls ahead of earnings. So Bloom stock has been struggling a bit. You can probably see that initially from the chart where price is selling off from the weekly sellers level. Investors are hoping the stock can avoid its third straight weekly decline. Again, reasons for that, and we'll get into it on the charts. They just announced earnings. However, the May earning propelled a massive rally in the stock price. At that time, investors overlooked a slight earnings miss in favor of a revenue beat as sales grew more than 36% year over year. Guidance came in strong as well, which led to a stock rally of more than 50% and a climb in the stock 8 out of the last 9 weeks after that May report. Now, many may not know 80% of a stock's move is due to the broader market and the sector that the stock belongs in. And as of late, the energy sector has been hit. You have potential recession concerns, China not reopening. All that's weighing on demand for energy. And so it puts a cap on energy prices and related stocks in the energy sector. So again, they announced their earnings, and earnings wasn't as good as May. They reported a quarterly loss of 17 cents per share versus what was expected of just being a 14-cent per share loss. This compares to a loss of 20 cents a year ago. So I guess that's a little bit improvement. This quarterly report represents an earnings surprise of a negative 21%. A year ago, it was expected that Bloomberg Energy would post a loss of 20 cents per share when it actually produced a loss of 22 cents, delivering a surprise of 10%. Over the last 4 quarters, the company has only exceeded expectations once. So it's kind of give you an idea of how the stock was going to perform after earnings a couple of days ago. So just going to the monthly chart, you can see how prices put in the floor in recent years. You have buyers defending this 1250 level. And as I mentioned, since the May report, price has been climbing. However, it ran into a weekly supply level at 1750. Now, what's important to note, two different things. This green candle here, this is what you want to see as price enters the zone. You want to see a sharp move higher, which led to the sharp move down. But the buyers weren't having it. They pushed price back up. And over the last several weeks, you have the buyers and the sellers duking out for position. The fact that price just waned in this level for the past 4 weeks indicates that there's no more remaining unfilled sell orders. However, although the sellers were beat up, they did win the battle for now, as indicated by these wicks. Now going to the daily chart, you can see that price continues to make higher highs, higher lows. So although I had projected initially price was going to decline to the 1250 level, the buyers appear to want to push price higher. Now there's going to be some resistance above this zone that's used up, and that's going to be the 200-day moving average at $19. But in order for that, Bloom Energy needs to come out with some additional news, good news, to serve as a catalyst. Now, they recently launched a new solution for net zero heating and cooling. According to the company, it is now offering the Bloom Energy server as a combined heat and power solution that utilizes a temperature exhaust steam for industrial steam production and absorption chilling. The first product is being used by a company in Germany. So they need more news like that if prices are going to continue to push higher. But again, this zone is used up. I can take this off. I'm going to leave it on for now. Not sure which way price is going next. Based on the short-term trend, well, this will just be a pullback before the next impulse higher. If so, look for a target, next target at $19. If prices decline to the $13, $12 level, that would also be an opportunity to buy to go long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.